Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. I hope that you all are doing well. Today I am back with another informative video and today's topic is top 20 BBA colleges in India. Well, here the ranking is not possible among the BBA or MBA colleges like engineering college or medical colleges as the ranking changes every year. So the top colleges have been selected based on the students' ranking. If you think the name of any other college should be added to the list, you can let us know. Detailed information about the colleges are given in our other videos. You will get the link in the description box. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel for such educational and informative contents. So without further delay, let's get this started. Number 1 is the Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies in New Delhi. This public or government college was established in the year 1987. It is situated in Delhi. Accepted exams are DUAT or DUET and popular courses are BBA and BSc. The next college is also entitled to number 1 ranking, so we can keep this in number 1 position. That is the NMIMS Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce in Mumbai. The college is recognized by UGC AICTE and was ranked first for BBA program in India by India Today in 2019. The college was established in the year 2007 and it is situated in Mumbai. Accepted exams are writing aptitude test and personal interview. This college offers 5 courses across 3 streams. Next in number 2 is the St. Xavier's College in Mumbai. It was established in the year 1869 and it offers 28 courses across 10 streams. Popular courses of this private college are BA and BBA. If you want to get admission to this college, you have to go through the Institute Entrance Test or namely the Xavier's BMS Entrance Exam. Next in number 3 is the Christ University in Bangalore. This deemed to be university was established in the year 1969 and it is situated in Bangalore. This college offers 179 courses across 15 streams. Accepted exams are MAT, XAT, GMAT, CAT and popular courses are BBA, MBA or PGDM. Next is the Loyola College in Chennai at number 4. This autonomous college was established in the year 1925 in Chennai. Popular courses are BSc and MSc and this college offers 40 courses across 8 streams. Next at number 5 is the MCC or Madras Christian College. This public or government college was established in the year 1837 and it offers 44 courses across 10 streams. Also known as MCC, this college's popular courses are BSc and BBA. At number 6 is the Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research. The private institute situated in Pune was established in the year 1985. Accepted exam is SNAP or the SNAP and popular courses are MBA or the PGDM and BCA. This college offers 5 courses across 2 streams. Next at number 7 is the Presidency College in Bangalore. This private college was established in the year 2013 and is situated in Bangalore. This college offers 61 courses across 9 streams and accepted exams are MAT, XAT, KMAT and CAT. Popular courses are MBA or the PGDM and BE or BTech. Next is the Amity University, Noida at number 8. It is a private institute established in the year 1995 and is situated in Noida. Popular courses are MBA or the PGDM and BA. This college offers 397 courses across 18 streams. Next at number 9 we have the Mount Carmel College. This college is situated in Bangalore and this is a private institute. It was established in the year 1948 and the popular courses are BA and BSc. This college offers 41 courses across 10 streams. Next we have J.D. Birla Institute, Kolkata at number 10. Situated in Kolkata, it is a private institute established in the year 1962. It is also known as JDBI and offers 11 courses across 6 streams. Popular courses are BSc and BBA. Next, we have the Chandigarh University in Punjab at number 11. Also known as CU, this private institute was established in the year 2012 in Chandigarh. Popular courses of this college are BSc and BE or BTech. Accepted exams are JEE Main, CUCET Chandigarh University and NATA. This college offers 188 courses across 17 streams. Next, in number 12, we have the VGU Rajasthan. Established in the year 2012, this private institute offers 87 courses across 13 streams. It is situated in Jaipur and accepted exam is All India Forensic Science Entrance Test. Popular courses of this college are BSc and MBA or the PGDM. Moving on to the next one, we have GITAM Hyderabad Business School in Telangana at number 13. It is a private institute established in the year 2009 and is also known as GHBS, situated in Hyderabad. Accepted exams are MAT, XAT, GMAT, CAT and popular courses are BBA and BCom. This college offers 12 courses across 5 streams. In number 14, we have Jagannath University in Rajasthan. This is also a private institute and it was established in the year 2013. Situated in Jhajjar, this college offers 88 courses across 17 streams. Accepted exams are JEE Main and popular courses are BVOC and BCA. Next, we have the NESS Vaida College of Commerce at number 15. This public or government college was established in the year 1959 and is situated in Pune. This college offers 4 courses across 3 streams and the popular courses are BBA and BCA. Next, at number 16, we have the Suresh Gyan Bihar University in Rajasthan. This is also a private institute established in the year 2008 and is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is also known as SGVU. Accepted exams are JEE Main and SGVUEE and popular courses are MBA or the PGDM and BBA. This college offers 408 courses across 14 streams. Next, we have the KIIT School of Management in Orissa at number 17. Established in the year 1993, this private institute offers 3 courses across 1 stream. Situated in Bhubaneswar, this institute also known as KSOM. Accepted exams are MAT, KIITEE Management, XAT and GMAT. Popular courses are MBA or PGDM and BBA. At number 18, we have Ethiraj College for Women in Chennai. It is also a private or autonomous institute established in the year 1948 and situated in Chennai. This college offers 39 courses across 7 streams and the popular courses are BCom and MSc. Accepted exam is TANSET MBA. Next, we have the JIMS Rohini at number 19. Established in the year 1993, this private institute offers 7 courses across 5 streams. It is situated in Delhi and also known as JIMS. Accepted exams are MAT, ATMA, XAT and CMAT. Popular courses are MBA or PGDM and BBA. At last, we have the CMS Jain University at number 20. This private institute is situated in Bangalore and it offers 16 courses across 4 streams. Accepted exams are MAT, GMAT, CAT and NMAT and popular courses are MBA or the PGDM. So these were the top 20 BBA colleges across India. If you are seeking for admission in BBA, you must try out the mentioned top 20 colleges first for a better college education. So friends, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, for more educational and informative videos, simply subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever we publish our next videos. Thanks for watching.